bende diponi oseyudore kama chalo kod mano.
Pod wang'iyo mago motenre kod thieth nyakoram gajuang Migao mar thieth ochako tielo mar ariyo mano mar chiwo chanjo mar Covid-19 ne oganda e kaunti ma Siaya. Coordinator
mar chenro mar thieth e sub-county ma Lego Usonga Otieno Anyango yango ni chenro no geto jopiny mapok oyudo chanjo mar kedo gi midhusi no.
Onyango lero ni chenro no geto chopo ne jopiny ma Siaya ma kwan gi ok tin 55,000 mapok oyudo chanjo.
But we are really ready and we want to make sure that we have 0 COVID cases and we are targeting at least 100%, if not 99, COVID vaccination coverage. What we want to see is that we have a total of 55,808 people that have not been vaccinated according to the household enumeration report that we did. So this is integrated for adults and adolescents and adults.
We have a rapid response initiative for Lego Usonga sub-county. We've supported household enumeration for people who live within Lego Usonga sub-county and gotten to identify the ones who are fully vaccinated for COVID, partially vaccinated, and those who are not vaccinated.